Okay, so let's take a look at how you can connect to Excel through Zoho for automation, and for that we will be using Zapier, right? So if I go to apps interface, there will be list of apps that we can connect to. Here I will search for Zoho and it will bring a list. So I already connected Zoho mail. You can just click on disconnect and then allow the authorization. Make sure to show it the data center like zoho.in.com.net, then it will manage the connection. Here you can also take a look at the available zaps. So currently we don't have any existing zaps, so here you can see untitled zap. I can always click on it and go there. I can also delete, right? So what I will do is I will go to dashboard and there I will find the prompt. Here I will type in, when email comes in Zoho mail, append the same in Excel spreadsheet. So now over here it should create one zap, append Zoho mail emails to Excel spreadsheet. Can click on try it. Basically you will be going to next step here. So already we selected Zoho mail account, click continue, in folder. So we will be seeing some inbox, then rest we can keep as it's. No need to actually search for even the one that we don't need, but still I'm adding group result. Yes, again put in yes, click continue, then test your first trigger, right? Once you test that, you will move to add row in Microsoft Excel, right? So in next step you can see that you have role to do here. So where you have first email, you can continue with the selected record, right? Then the event, I want to say add row to table or simply add row, and then click continue, again continue. So we will go for action. So what to add? So we have folder root spreadsheet. Let's take a look at that. Sample one. Okay, fair enough. Then currently it doesn't have anything, so I can change that to, let's say, book worksheet. Again, no worksheet there, so we will do some custom. So here I will just use send date or subject, right? That's it. Now I will just move, test this step, and here it says could not obtain WAC access token. You may have to take this from your OneDrive before you can run, but I will just skip that and try and publish this to see if it lets me, right? So what I will do is I will just open that particular document, and then we will be seeing that if that access token is added, we may have to see a new spreadsheet there. This is just a demo, but you get the idea how to get one of the data from Zoho mail into Excel spreadsheet.